female reproductive system. This is a structure of female reproductive system. You know that female reproductive system, it consists of ovary, oviducts, uterus, cervix and fallopian tube. Okay. So this is a structure of female reproductive system. Okay, that ovary, ovary, it is the person in the each side of pelvic region. Okay, and this is called ovary. This is called ovary. Okay, this is fallopian tube. Okay, fallopian tube is divided into three parts. You know that. Fimbriae, ampulla, then isthmus. It's collectively called as fallopian tube. Fallopian tube, collectively called as fallopian tube. Then this region is called uterus. Okay. This region is called uterus. We also call as womb. Uterus, womb. And then above that womb, the projection is called as fundus. This region is called fundus. Okay, uterine fundus. And this uterus is open into a narrow canal called cervix. This region is called cervix. That cervix is a tubular structure. It can, along with that vagina, it forms as a birth canal. Along with the vagina, the cervix, it forms as a birth canal. And the cervix is a tubular structure. It open into anterior side in uterus, posterior side in vagina. Posterior orifice, anterior orifice. Anterior orifice open into uterus, posterior orifice open into vagina. Okay. So these are all the organs that present in female reproductive system. And the ovary, you know that 2 to 4 centimeter long ovary, it was attached into wall of uterus. Okay, it is attached into wall of uterus by ligaments. That ligament is called mesovarium. Mesovarium is a ligament. It attaches the ovary into body wall and as well as wall of uterus. Then the tubular structure is called fallopian tube or oviduct. It consists of three parts: isthmus, ampulla, fimbriae. And fimbriae, it attached with a funnel-like structure is called infundibulum. It's a funnel-like structure. So these are the structure of female reproductive system. We already discussed about ovary. Now we are going to see about the second organ, oviduct. A pair of oviduct or fallopian tube. Oviduct. The oviduct is a long tubular structure. The size is 10 to 12 centimeter long. The size is 10 to 12 centimeter long in OV, that or fallopian tube length. Okay. It was divided into three parts. Okay. One is infundibulum, fimbriae. The second one is ampulla, and third one is isthmus. These are the three parts of fallopian tube. We already mentioned when you see the diagram. This is fimbriae, this is ampulla, this is isthmus. These are all collectively called as fallopian tube. These are all three parts. The first one is fimbriae. The fimbriae is a finger-like projection. When look into that side, the picture. When you look into the picture, the finger-like projections they have. Okay, this projection is called fimbriae. This projection is called fimbriae. See, it will be present in the body cavity. It extended to the periphery of ovary. Ovary in the fimbriae. So what are the uses of fimbriae? The fimbriae is used to collect the ovum from ovary. When ovulation takes place in ovary ஒரு ovum release ஆகுது அப்படினா அந்த ovum இதுக்குள்ள என்டர் ஆன அந்த fallopian tube என்டர் ஆவதற்கு யூஸ் ஆகக்கூடிய ஒரு ஆர்கன் தான் இந்த fimbriae. So fimbriae is used to collect the ovum after ovulation. After ovulation, it collect the ovum and it send the ovum into ampulla and into the rest of the regions of reproductive system in female. And fimbriae. The fimbriae attached into a funnel-like structure. A funnel-like structure is called infundibulum. Funnel-like structure. The infundibulum receives the ovum. Okay, after that fimbriae. That ovum it enter into secondary oocyte. It's not a ovum. The secondary oocyte it enter through the fimbriae and infundibulum. After reaching the infundibulum, it reaches into the wide region. The wide chamber is called ampulla. The wide region of fallopian tube is called ampulla. After reaching the ovum into ampulla, it migrates to the uterus through isthmus. Isthmus is a narrow duct. Isthmus is a narrow duct. It has ciliary action. It has ciliary and as well as peristalsis reaction. Ciliary and peristaltic reaction. Due to this presence of the ciliary movement and peristaltic movement, that ovum move towards the fimbriae or isthmus to uterus. Due to presence of ciliary and peristaltic movement, that ovum or zygote. Why we mentioned here zygote? If the ovum is released from ovary and ovum enter into fimbriae, but now I mentioned zygote or ovum. Why? Because the ampulla isthmic junction is a site of fertilization. The site of fertilization is ampulla isthmic junction. Mostly fertilization it takes place in ampulla isthmic junction in this region. Okay, ampulla and followed by isthmus. That region, that junction is the mostly fertilization site. The site is called as fertilization site. So that's why after fertilization it called as zygote. Then only I mentioned ovum and zygote. It moved into that fallopian tube isthmic region due to the presence of ciliary or peristalsis movement. And these are all the structure of fallopian tube or oviduct. Okay. Then next we are going to see uterus. Third one. Third one, uterus. Ovary, first one, second one, fallopian tube, and third one, uterus. The third organ of reproductive system. So uterus is a chamber. Okay, the implantation it takes place. The implantation, we know that the process of growth of fetus in female reproductive system in the gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, and cleavage and implantation. The implantation takes place uterus. It also called as womb, mother womb. The growth of fetus, it takes place in that region. It's called womb or uterus. So uterus is a wide chamber, and uterus, it also divided into three parts. The first, the projected region. The top projected region is called fundus. It is present in the top region, the site of attachment of isthmus to uterus. It is isthmus is attached into uterus. That region having a top region, they have a projection. It called as fundus region. Then second region is body region. These are the body region, and finally cervix. These are the three parts of uterus. Uterus having three parts: fundus, body, and cervix. First one is fundus. Okay. So fundus is present in the top region of uterus. The fundus is a site of implantation. After fertilization in ampullary isthmic junction, that zygote it moved towards the uterus and it entered the uterus. The implantation it happens into the fundus region. This fundus region, the growth of fetus it happen. It also gives the formation of placentation. So there is an important part of uterus. We know that one of the scientific terms in our zoology, ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy means the implantation of fertilized zygote or fertilized ovum. It takes away from the uterus. If fertilized ovum, or fertilized ovum, the uterus implantation நடக்காம இத தாண்டி ஒரு fallopian tube இல்ல வேற இடத்துலயோ implantation நடந்தனா அதுக்கு பேர் தான் ectopic pregnancy. It's one of the defect, குறைபாடு. So in this condition that fetus cannot grow complete development, cannot exhibit complete termination of pregnancy will happen. It also affect the mother health. It's called ectopic pregnancy. So when it called as ectopic pregnancy, the implantation of fertilized embryo, it not implanted away from, not implanted in uterus. The implantation takes place away from the uterus. Is called ectopic pregnancy. Then body region. So body region is a tubular, the halo region, and followed by body region is a cervix region. The cervix region is a tube. It's a tubular region. this tube is connected to uterus into vagina. This region, uterus is vagina. Uterus, vagina is connected by cervix. It's a canal. It looks like a canal-like structure. I already mentioned the cervix and vagina, the both canal combine together to form birth canal. Cervix and vagina, both combine to form a birth canal, to use it for patuation, childbirth. The uterus, the wall of uterus, the shape of uterus is important. Okay? The uterus shape is look like a inverted pear. Pericus and the pericardium. So, and the structure is inverted pear shape. So, inverted pear shape, the uterus structure, it looks like a inverted pear shape. Okay, and the wall of uterus, we have three layers. The wall of uterus having three layers. The innermost layer is called endometrium. This layer is called endometrium. Yeah. The middle layer is called myometrium. This region, myometrium. Okay. And outer layer is called perimetrium. Outermost is called perimetrium. The layer of uterus, the body, it is having three layers. The innermost layer is called endometrium. This is mainly vascular layer. Okay, many blood vessels are present in the inner endometrium layer. Many vascular or blood vessels present in the vascular. Many vascular and blood vessels are present in endometrium. And middle myometrium, it is made up of a strong muscular layer, and outermost is perimetrium. That myometrium is one of the important layer because in the myometrium it helps to patuation, it helps to childbirth. The strong contraction of myometrium, it pushes the fetus or baby towards the vagina for delivery, for patuation. So the myometrium is the most important layer in the wall of uterus. It helps to childbirth. The strong contraction, it helps to childbirth or patuation. And this is a middle layer. And uterus is one of the strongest muscle in our body. The uterus consists of one of the strongest muscle in our body. So these are the structure of uterus and layer and the three regions or three parts of uterus. Then next step. And next is vagina. The fourth one is you know that cervix. Cervix is here. Distal region of uterus. It connects. It's a tubular region. It connects the uterus to vagina. Next one is vagina. The vagina, okay, it is also a tubular structure. It has a long 8.5 centimeter long. Nearly the vagina having 8.5 centimeter long. vagina. And the vagina, okay, vagina, it consists of many mucus folds, mucus layer. The vagina, it consists of mucus membrane, the inner lining of inner lining of vagina. It consists of mucus membrane. The mucous membrane. These mucous membranes, it forms many folds. That folds are called rugae. You know that this name already here. The rugae present in our stomach. Okay, look, that same structure present in also vagina also. The vagina, the inner lining is a tubular organ present nearly 8.5 cm long. The inner lining of vagina, it made up of mucous membrane. The mucous membrane having many folds. The folds are made rugae. Okay, and these inner linings, the inner linings can be cells of stratified squamous epithelial cells. Epithelium. Stratified squamous epithelial cells. This inner line of vagina is made up of stratified squamous epithelial cells. Okay? And it's not keratinized. The most important thing is it's not keratinized. We know that keratinization it happens in the epidermis layer of our skin. Here, that layer is not keratinized, only the stratified squamous epithelium. And the one more important in vagina, it is region of devoid of glands. No glands in that region, vagina. So vagina is having no glands, glandular cells, secretory cells. So it calls devoid of glands in vagina. Okay, vagina is also one of the region for copulatory canal. Vagina is one of the region for copulatory canal. It used for copulation, mating, the receiving of sperm from penis. The vagina is a copulatory canal. It receives the sperms from penis, and it along with that cervix. We already know that. It along with that cervix, it also acts as a birth canal. Along with the cervix, acts as a birth canal, and utility it acts as a copulatory canal. It receives the sperm from penis. So we call as copulatory canal. So this is vagina. And next, external genitalia. Finally, external genitalia. External genitalia of female reproductive system. The external genitalia, it commonly or collectively called as vulva. That commonly or collectively called as vulva. The female external genitalia. That vulva it comprises pons pubis, labia major, labia minor, clitoris, and finally hymen membrane. So these are all collectively called as external genitalia. It also called as vulva in female reproductive system. And first one is pons pubis. So non-pubis is a fleshy and fat-filled tissue, muscular tissue. It also contains fat and it also having the epidermal hair. Epidermal hair in female, you know that one. It is a pushy region, fat-filled region, covered by skin, and it also having epidermal hair. And next one is labia major and labia minor. This labia major and labia minor, the both are muscle folds. The both are muscle folds. It covers the vaginal opening. It covers the vaginal opening. The outer region is labia major. The inner region is labia minor. It both of them it cover muscular folds. The both are muscular folds. It covers the vaginal opening, external orifice. It also called as external orifice. Okay. Then clitoris. The clitoris is a finger-like projection. Called as finger-like projection. Yeah. It formed as two erectile body. It present just behind the junction of labia minor. Just behind the junction of labia minor, the anterior region, just behind the labia minor junction, there is a finger-like projection. It present in the female. It called as clitoris. It's made up of two erectile body. It covered by a skin is called prepuce. The skin, the clitoris covered by a skin is called prepuce. Then hymen. The hymen is one of the diaphragm. It partially present in vagina. Already called vagina. Okay. The vagina is a partially it was covered by a diaphragm. A membranous diaphragm. It called as hymen. So mostly we called as the hymen. It was tiered or torn in the first coitus. So it mostly in ancient period it was used for to check the virginity. கன்னித்திரைன்னு சொல்லுவோம் தமிழ்ல சொல்லும்போது பெண்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த விர்ஜினிட்டியை செக் பண்றதுக்கு ஹைமன் மெம்பரேனை நம்ம டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுவோம். பட் nowadays it not always keeps in the female body. So due to heavy workout exercise, horseback riding, cycling, athletes, sudden jolt, ஒரு திடீர்னு அதிர்ச்சி, stress, இந்த மாதிரி reason that the hymen is already torn or teared, கிழிஞ்சு போகுது. அழிஞ்சு போகுது. So it's not is an indication of virginity. Nowadays it's not used as the indication of virginity. So these are all the parts of external genitalia, and the posterior part of the labia major is joined together form a fourth sheet. Okay. And this having also have vestibule. The vestibule having two openings. One is urinary bladder opening, and as well as vaginal exterior population canal opening or vaginal opening. Okay. So these are all the structure of female reproductive system. Thank you.